Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Instagram and pick Reels or Story. First, grant camera and mic permissions so the app can access tracking. Position your phone on a tripod or steady surface. Once done, choose the front camera and check lighting at roughly 50 to 70% for even exposure. Make sure the face fills the center grid, remove obstructions like glasses reflections, and tap to lock focus. Now you're ready to move into face tracking controls and effects. Now you activate face tracking. Tap Effects, then browse and search for face tracking or the specific AR filter you want. Apply the effect and test by slowly moving your head left, right, up, and down so the tracker maps facial landmarks. If tracking jitters, back up to about 1/2 to 1.5 meters and retest. Choose 60 FPS if your device supports it for smoother motion, and turn off beauty skin filters so the effect follows raw facial features. Once stable, prepare to record. You're in the final step. Record in short takes of 5 to 15 seconds so face tracking stays accurate across movements. Use intentional head cues and small facial expressions. Once done, stitch clips in Instagram or an editor to hide any drift. If tracking fails, toggle the effect off and on, restart the app, or physically clean the lens. These quick fixes often resolve landmark loss. Finally, export at the highest quality Instagram allows, add captions, save a draft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.